Driving is a privilege, not a right. It comes with responsibilities, and one of the most important is understanding your vehicle. Your car talks to you not through words but through a dashboard full of warning lights. These lights are like your car's vital signs, and ignoring them can be detrimental to your safety and your wallet. Today, we're focusing on the red warning lights, the ones that demand your immediate attention. Think of it this way: you wouldn't ignore a fever or a sharp pain in your chest, would you? You'd see a doctor immediately. Similarly, red warning lights on your dashboard are your car's way of saying, "Hey, something's not right, let's get this checked out." Remember, addressing these warnings promptly can prevent minor issues from escalating into major and expensive repairs. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 2. The dreaded check engine light. The check engine light is the most notorious of all dashboard warnings. It's vague, often causing panic and confusion. What does it mean? Is my car going to explode? Relax, take a deep breath. While it's rarely an emergency, ignoring it is a recipe for disaster. This little yellow or orange light, often shaped like an engine, can indicate a range of problems, from a loose gas cap to a faulty oxygen sensor. A loose gas cap can be an easy fix, but a faulty oxygen sensor can impact your car's emissions and fuel efficiency, costing you more in the long run. If your check engine light comes on, don't panic. Pull over when it's safe, check your gas cap, and, if it's secure, head to a trusted mechanic. They'll use a diagnostic tool to read the error code and pinpoint the exact problem. Section 3. Battery low, don't get stranded. Picture this: you're late for an important meeting, you jump into your car, turn the key, and nothing. Just a clicking sound. This is a classic scenario of a dying battery, and the culprit is a glowing red battery icon on your dashboard. This light indicates a problem with your car's charging system. It could be a dying battery, a faulty alternator, the part that charges the battery, or a loose connection. Ignoring this light will eventually leave you stranded. If you see it, get your battery and charging system checked by a mechanic ASAP. Regular battery checks and timely replacements can save you from a lot of hassle. Section 4. Oil pressure, the lifeblood of your engine. If your car's engine is its heart, oil is its lifeblood. The oil pressure warning light, often an oil can with a drop, is a critical warning you should never ignore. This light means that the oil pressure in your engine has dropped dangerously low. This could be due to a leak, low oil levels, or a failing oil pump. Driving with low oil pressure can cause severe engine damage, leading to costly repairs or even engine replacement. If this light flickers or stays on, pull over immediately and turn off your engine. Check your oil level, and if it's low, add more. However, if the light stays on, call for a tow truck. Don't risk driving with low oil pressure. Section 5. Brake system, your safety net. The brake system is arguably the most crucial safety feature in your car. The brake warning light, often a circle with an exclamation mark, indicates a potential problem that could compromise your ability to stop safely. This light could mean several things: low brake fluid, worn-out brake pads, or a problem with the anti-lock braking system, also known as ABS. Ignoring this light is incredibly risky. Get your brakes checked immediately by a qualified mechanic. Regular brake inspections and timely replacements of pads and fluids are essential for your safety and the safety of others on the road. Section 6. Tire pressure. More than just a smooth ride. We all love a smooth ride, but proper tire pressure is about more than just comfort. It affects your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and most importantly, your safety. The tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS light, often depicts a tire with an exclamation mark, alerting you to underinflated tires. Driving with underinflated tires increases the risk of blowouts, reduces fuel efficiency, and affects your car's handling. If this light comes on, find a safe place to pull over and check your tire pressure. Inflate them to the recommended level, which can be found in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. If the light stays on, have a mechanic check for a leak or a faulty TPMS sensor. Section 7. Coolant temperature, preventing overheating disaster. Remember those cartoons where a car overheats and steam shoots out from under the hood? That's precisely what the coolant temperature warning light, often a thermometer in a wavy line, is trying to prevent. This light indicates that your engine is overheating, which can cause severe damage. This could be due to low coolant levels, a leak in the cooling system, or a problem with the thermostat. If this light comes on, Pull over immediately and turn off your engine. Let the engine cool down completely before checking the coolant level. If it's low, add more. If the light comes on again, there might be a leak or another problem. Call a tow truck and get your car to a mechanic. Section 8. Airbag Warning. When safety features need attention. Airbags are designed to deploy in an accident, cushioning the blow and potentially saving lives. The Airbag Warning light, often depicting a person seated with an airbag deployed, means there's a problem with this crucial safety system. This light could indicate a faulty sensor, a problem with the airbag module, or even a deactivated airbag. Driving with an Airbag Warning light is incredibly risky. Get your car to a qualified mechanic immediately to diagnose and fix the issue. Your safety is paramount. Section 9. Conclusion. Listen to your car, it's talking to you. Your car's dashboard is like a communication hub, and the red warning lights are its urgent messages. Ignoring these messages can lead to costly repairs, breakdowns, and even accidents. Remember, these lights are not suggestions, they're warnings that demand your immediate attention. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and a basic understanding of your car's warning system can save you from a lot of trouble. Be proactive, listen to your car, and stay safe on the road.